everyone, so today I wanted to just quickly review the Sephora birthday gift for 2019. Well, there are multiple different birthday gifts this year. VIB Rouges, and I think VIBs get a few more than Beauty Insiders. There was a Drunk Elephant skincare one. You get 250 points. Kat Von D one, which is the one I'm reviewing today, and I think there was one other. The reason why I got this set was only for the liquid liner. I think that the stupidest thing ever is lipstick samples like this, and that's what they decided to give us. This is you could have put one mini in there, but instead you put these samples. I'm just gonna be giving this away to someone who will use them because I ain't gonna use them. The Kat Von D powder I like, except it makes random dark spots on my face. It's really weird, and I've never had that happen with a powder before. So the only reason why I picked up this set was for the tattoo liner you get. You get the tattoo liner in Trooper, the translucent powder, and then you get this like crappy lipstick sample. I think that the birthday gift set that is most worthwhile is probably the Drunk Elephant set. But seeing as though I have so much Drunk Elephant skincare, I was like, you know what, no, I'd rather get the liner so that I don't have to go buy a full-size liner anytime soon. Kat Von D Tattoo Liner is my all-time favorite liner. I do want to try out the new Benefit liner, but so far I'm sticking with my Kat Von D liner. Overall, I wouldn't recommend this. I would recommend picking up one of the other gifts because I just think that this is kind of useless unless you know you like the powder and the tattoo liner, because they're minis, and I mean, I'm gonna get use out of this, but, you know, that's just my opinion. I definitely think that the other ones are a lot more worthwhile.